All right, students. So I wanted to show you how you're going to submit your game for credit for that Super Slimer game so I can grade it. We're going to do it a little different than the My First App project. All right. So basically, here's our rubric. Okay. This is the rubric I went over in class. Okay. It's worth 12 points. So before you do anything, you want to make sure that you followed everything here in this rubric and the number 3 slot. All right. Again, if you make mistakes, you'll lose points accordingly. All right. So this is the video you are watching right now. All right. So basically, what you're going to need your iPad for this. So if you're watching the video on your iPad right now, I suggest opening up on your laptop because you're going to need your iPad to take a video for me. All right. So once you have this video open on your laptop, okay, what you're going to do to start is you're going to take a video of this part right here. Okay, so you're going to basically put your iPad down, you're going to record, and then all you're going to do is just kind of scroll down so I can see your entire game. All right. This is the back end of the game. So the game is not actually running. I'm just seeing what you have so far. Now, the person that I'm looking at right now, this person's not done yet. So they're missing a lot of things. All right, but I'm just going to use this as an example. All right, so you're just going to scroll down just like I am right there. All right. So that's it. So that's the first part of the video. Now you're going to keep the video running, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and play the game for a little bit. All right. Now you don't have to beat the game, but basically what I'm looking for is all the coding that you did. So I need to make sure that you're, again, anything that's in the rubric. I want to make sure that your character can move and bounce like he is right now. I need to make sure that you have bad guys in your game. Now this person doesn't have any bad guys yet because they need to add them, but I need to make sure you have collectibles. All right. Like there's some potions up here, it looks like. So if I run into them, I should be able to collect it just like that. All right. So things like that. All right. So you only have to play it for maybe 30 seconds. Again, you don't have to beat the game. I just want to see the game in action. All right. So then you're going to hit done. Now, your video is going to still roll. Okay. So the iPad video is going to still roll. The last thing I need you to do is you're going to go up to your menu. You're going to click on each actor. So we're going to start here with the hero. Apparently, he called him Bob. All right. You're going to go to your code up here at the top. And then basically I want to look at each of your functions. Okay, so you're going to click camera, and then you're going to click gravity, and then you're going to click bounce as your video is rolling so I can see this code. Now, I'm not going to click on all of these because I don't want you to see this person's code. All right, I want to make sure you're able to follow all the code there. All right, so then you're going to go up to the menu again. You're going to do the same thing for your coin. You're going to go to your brackets. Again, you're going to click on any functions there so I can see your functions. And then you're going to do the bad guy as well. You're going to click on the bracket, and I'm going to look at your functions here. Again, this person hasn't added any functions yet for this bad guy, but again, once he does, he'd click on them so I can see the code. All right, so basically your video is going to contain 3 things. One is the back end of the game, which is basically just this, okay, scrolled up and down, okay. 2 is the gameplay, so you're going to hit run and videotape 30 seconds of the game. And then finally, it's your code for each of your characters. All right. Make sure you include all 3 of those things because I am going to look at them as I go through the rubric. All right. So hopefully you guys did that. So once you have the video submitted, all right, you're going to have to go onto your iPad. All right. And I have someone's iPad right here. All right. You're going to go on your iPad. All right. You really can't see it, but you're going to find the Super Slimer rubric. All right. You're going to open it on your iPad, and then you're going to hit submissions, and then you're going to go ahead and add the video to that submission. All right. And the reason why you have to do it on your iPad is because you took the video with the iPad. All right. So hopefully that's pretty detailed on how to submit it. Once you submit it, I will get an email telling me it's submitted, and that's it. All right. If you guys need any help or something doesn't work right, you let me know. All right. And we'll get it squared away. All right. Good luck.